I've started companies before, I've run companies, I've sold companies, I've bought companies. This was just unbelievably complicated. Virtue Labs is a biotech hair care company. It was a piece of technology that was for traumatically injured soldiers. It just so happens that the same protein that can help heal things is also what makes up 90% of your hair, and that's keratin. The scientist who developed this and who patented this was actually a colonel in the Army. He's also a brilliant biotissue engineer, and he was trying to develop therapeutics that helped regenerate bone tissue and nerve. There was a young woman working in the lab doing her internship. Her family came from a salon business, and she really took the protein and started working on hair and said to Luke, look, I think there's a real benefit here to hair care products. And that's how it got to me. I've been in the cosmetic business for my entire career, and I was very impressed in what I saw. Everything we use damages our hair. Think about a 450-degree hair dryer hitting your skin, what would happen? So you're actually burning your hair all the time. What's really happening is the same way this protein has benefit in regenerative medicine. It's targeting the fracture or the breakage in hair. So it goes right to the damaged site. It lays down in the exact size and shape of that damaged site, and where there isn't damage, it washes off. We did an actual clinical trial. You don't see that very often in hair care, but we knew that if this molecule was doing something, we had to see it, measure it, and be able to clinically prove it. It was hard because we were taking a piece of biotechnology and trying to turn it into consumer products. We thought originally we could go to a contract manufacturer, the pharma or cosmetic contract manufacturer. Soon found out that we weren't able to do that. I remember specifically I was outside of a salon with the CEO of then the therapeutic company, and they were super excited to tell me that they had gotten the price down to $49 a gram, and I literally sat down on a wall and said, guys, you have a decimal point problem. There's a half a gram of protein in every product we make, or more. So we actually became a raw material manufacturer and got lucky enough to find Bill Jacobson, brilliant engineer. He looked at the process and he said, Melisse, I think we can do this. I think I can change the process enough to scale and get the cost out. And between himself and the folks at the therapeutic company, they figured out how to make this work. You just have to stay tenacious. You have to keep climbing the mountain. And the mountain never, ever gets smaller, by the way. It always gets bigger. And I really leaned on people and trusted people to do what they do really well. And by creating that kind of culture, it was very much a team sport. There isn't one person that in this organization that hasn't been critical to success or failure on any given day. Surround yourself with really smart people and let them do their jobs.